comment, I think. Yeah. Test your mic.
Dude, look at that fucking little kid.
Test your mic. Come back! Yeah.
Dude, those little kids could kick my ass.
Come back!
Dude, look, they're fighting! Dude, that girl's kicking his ass. Yeah! Get him, bitch! That's a girl.
Luke Cage. Johnny Cage.
This makes me think of Street Fighter. Hadouken!
Have you even heard me do that? I do it perfectly. Me and Chris have been making a joke about that. Yeah, I'll do it. Hold on. Yeah.
Dude, that kid's nuts.
Oh.
She almost fell. Dude!
Block, punch, kick, block.
Okay, I could kick ass, but they would beat me to a bloody pulp.
That's nuts. Here we go.
Oh, shit! Holy God!
Crazy, dude. I want to see the size and the
That was badass.
Kendo 6. You're recording the whole thing?
Yeah.
How long does it have?
I have 44 minutes if I really want.
Dang.
I'm YouTubing this shit.
For sure. Sounds sick.